My name is Benny Frankel. We are Canadian Choice. We've been in business for over 30 years. We moved into this new facility of 50,000 square feet just a couple years ago. We purchased all new equipment in order to improve our quality and, of course, quantity of windows. In this facility, we employ approximately 40 people on the floor. We manufacturing between 250 to 300 windows a day. All the employees that we employ, they are professionals and with experience. The production process starts with this machine that's behind me. It's a saw. Right now we can make up to 4 profiles at the same time. After the saw, we're going into the welder. It's a 4-point welder, double stacker. It's improving our quality and quantity of how many windows a minute we can do. The third thing that we're doing in the process of manufacturing, it's the corner cleaner, because all the boxes are coming squares and all the corners has to be clean. We actually improving our speed twice as much. In the process of manufacturing the window, after we cut it, weld it, and corner clean it, the process goes to assembly. We're assembling all the windows that existing on the market, plus we're manufacturing European tilt and turn windows. The last station in the process of manufacturing is glazing the windows, putting on all the accessories, extensions, brick molds, and so on. The most important part is quality control that we're doing on each and every window that's going out of the process. This is the ready windows for shipping. In Canadian Choice, our priority is quality. And before we ship anything, quality control goes through each inch of every window that shipping out. What distinguishes our DraftLock in Canadian Choice is the quality of the extrusion, it's the thickness of it, it's the glazing that we using. Not less important, when we installing, the installation, it's a critical part of any window, and we're using only qualified installers. We at Canadian Choice, not only that we're manufacturing the DraftLock brand, we're also installing. Why is it important for the customer? That customer doesn't have to deal with the different parties, salespeople, installers, manufacturers that not connected. We are one-stop shop.